Hi, my dear student. I hope that you are all and always fine. Today I'm going to explain the lesson in page 36. There is a famous place in my town. There is a famous place in my town. At the beginning, the title of this lesson is Visit the Roman Theater in Amman. Visit the Roman Theater in Amman. I'm going to read the text at the beginning. Welcome to the Roman Theater. Welcome to the Roman Theater in Amman, one of the most amazing sights in the city. One of the most amazing sights in the city. It was built in the 2nd century CE, Common Era. It was built in the 2nd century CE, Common Era, in what was the Roman city of Philadelphia. In what was the Roman city of Philadelphia. The theater was divided into 3 parts. The theater was divided into 3 parts. Important people sat in the part nearest the stage. Important people sat in the part nearest the stage. And soldiers sat further away. And soldiers sat further away. Ordinary people sat far away. Ordinary people sat far away at the top of the theater, but because the theater was so well designed, they could still see and hear the actors. Near the stage, you will find the Jordanian Museum of Popular Traditions. Near the stage, you will find the Jordanian Museum of Popular Traditions and the Amman Folklore Museum where you can see traditional customs and handicrafts. You can get to the museum on foot from the center of the downtown, the modern part of Amman, or get a taxi from any of the central hotels. Now, I have some questions about this text. The first question is, when was the Roman theater built? When was it built? It was built in the 2nd century CE. CE, it means the common era, الحقبة السائدة، الحقبة المعاصرة اللي هي الحقبة الميلادية. Question 2. How many parts are there in the theater? How many parts يعني كم عدد الأجزاء؟ كم قسم مقسم الثيتر؟ أما اللي هو الرومان ثيتر الدرج الروماني. It has 3 parts. What are they? إيش هم هذول ال 3 parts؟ Number 1 أو A, the part of the important people. The part of the important people, الجزء المخصص للناس important مهمين. Okay. B, the part of the soldiers معناها جنود. part المخصص لمين؟ للجنود. Number 3, the part of the ordinary people يعني عامة الشعب. الجزء المخصص لعامة الشعب. Number 5, where did the ordinary people sit? عامة الشعب. Where did they sit? أين كانوا يجلسون عامة الشعب؟ At the top of the theater. top معناها في أعلى أو في قمة الثيتر المسرح. At the top of the theater في قمة المسرح. Number 6, how could the ordinary people see؟ يعني كيف كان الناس ordinary people عامة الشعب see the actors يتمكنون من رؤية الactors الممثلين although معناها على الرغم أو بالرغم they are far from the stage. بالرغم من أنهم far from the stage من بعيدين عن الستيج عن المنصة. يعني كيف كان الناس العاديين اللي بيجلسوا في أعلى المدرج يتمكنون من الرؤية على الرغم من أنهم بعيدين عن المنصة؟ الإجابة because the theater was so well designed معناها مصمم، لأن الثيتر المسرح الروماني أو المدرج الروماني كان مصمم بطريقة ممتازة جدا. أوكي، بحيث أنه درجات الناس اللي قدام الناس اللي ورا بيكونوا أعلى من اللي قدام. Number 7, what will you find near the stage؟ ماذا ستجد بالقرب من الستيج اللي هي المنصة؟ الإجابة you will find the Jordanian Museum of Traditions. سوف تجد اللي هو المتحف الأردني التقليدي ماشي of Traditions and the Amman Folklore Museum ومتحف عمان الفولكلوري. Okay, yeah. And here we have our two last questions here. السؤالين الأخيرات عندي بهاي الصفحة. What can you see in Amman Folklore Museum? What can you see in Amman Folklore Museum? What can you see؟ إيش بنقدر نشوف إحنا بعمان Folklore Museum؟ We can see traditional customs الملابس التقليدية and handicrafts والحرف اليدوية. Number 9. How can you get on foot? كيف تستطيع أن تصل on foot يعني سيرا على الأقدام to the museum؟ كيف تصل هناك على الأقدام؟ From the center of the downtown من خلال وسط center هو المركز أو وسط downtown معناها البلد من خلال وسط البلد. Okay, thanks a lot. That is all for today and thanks a lot for listening to me.